Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. I was scrolling through the at-home website to get some inspiration and ran across this adorable little house. I wanted it for my living room shelf. I found this house I got on one of my yard sale adventures and decided to use it to recreate the Home Sweet Home house. The house had a raised texture to it, and I wanted mine to be smooth. The first thing I did was use a medium grit Dollar Tree sanding block to scuff up the paint. And then I got smart. Why not try a nail polish remover? I had used it on a previous project and it worked great. So I applied nail polish remover to a paper towel and began rubbing it on the house. Perfect. I used the nail polish remover on all the sides of the house to remove most of the textured paint. I then used my sanding block to remove what was left of the texture. I wasn't really worried about the paint itself, just the textured part. I used Waverly ink chalk paint and painted the entire house. And of course used my hot air gun to dry the paint quicker. This hot air gun has saved me so much time on projects because I don't have to wait for the paint to dry. It comes in handy to remove stickers from items too. I'll leave a link in the description for the hot air gun I use on a daily basis and highly recommend. Next, I created this cut file in Design Space and sized it to fit this house. I'll also leave a link for it in the description for any Cricut users who want to recreate this. I applied the vinyl to transfer paper and then to the house. I tried to make sure it was centered and straight on the house. And just look at how stinking cute this little Home Sweet Home turned out. I love it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!